Got to wait for that to firm up. Remember, we do that in the first 10 minutes, but I'll set us an alarm right now just in case we get a jump. So we're looking at that being a little bit. I did not see the news on Roku, but it doesn't really matter, does it? Micron moving up. I don't know if that's coming back today, but we'll be sitting there. Well, there is our bullish move in X. Got away from us now. If it wants to retrace, we'll be there. And keep going down the list. CRM jumped, coming back quickly. Going to wait for that to go through the first two bars. We can't do anything with that right now. Amazon, we're going to skip because of the price. NVIDIA looking a little bit weaker than what it was. We'll see.